I'd like to show you something I discovered today working with the ElevenLabs Conversational AI platform, which I think is pretty cool. I'm currently working on integrating the conversational agent API into the eLearning Magic Toolkit, which will make setting up agentic AI capabilities in eLearning experiences even easier for many articulate storyline developers. Since I last worked on this, what ElevenLabs have now included as part of the agent setup is the ability to create dynamic variables, which can be declared in both the first message prompt as well as the system prompt, which governs the overall behavior of the AI agent. And this variable value can be defined at the start of the conversation with the idea that it can change and continue to hold specific data about the user or something that the user has told them, acting as a data source that the agent can rely upon throughout the time that they spend talking to them. So what's really interesting about that is that we can use these variables in order to help the agent keep a track of what's going on at any moment during the e-learning experience. In relation to articulate storyline, this means that we can pass changing project variables to the AI agent from within the activity and vice versa. So I've started work on a demo project here in Storyline, which I'm going to build up with a number of different slides and interaction types to give an idea of the many potential actions that an AI agent could perform on a user's behalf. Taking a look at the instruction prompt for the agent, the main thing I've done here is to set a slide number variable which the agent can use throughout to track the user's progress through the experience. And then I've provided specific instruction on a slide-by-slide basis on what the agent is able to do on the user's behalf and the webhook actions that it can perform in order to make those things happen. So this is an early stage demo, but let me show you what I've been able to accomplish so far working with the eLearning Magic Toolkit in Articulate Storyline 360. And right now I'm going to go completely hands-free. Hello, can you tell me the slide number I'm currently on, please?
You're currently on slide 1.
Okay, so on this slide, what are the actions that you can perform on my behalf?
On slide 1, I can update your first name and last name in the eLearning module. Would you like to change either of these?
Yes, let's go ahead and type Chris in the first name box.
Certainly. I'll update your first name to Chris. Your first name has been updated to Chris.
Thank you. And now let's type Hodgson in the last name box. That's spelled Hodgson.
I'll update your last name to Hodgson. Your last name has been updated to Hodgson.
Thank you. Okay, let's now move on to the next slide.
Understood. I'll move you to the next slide. You're now on slide 2.
So on this slide, what are the actions that you can perform on my behalf?
On slide 2, I can change the fill color of a circle shape. Would you like to change the color?
Okay, let's go ahead and change the color to red.
I'll change the circle's color to red. The circle's color has been changed to red.
Let's now try changing it to green.
Changing the circle's color to green. The circle is now green.
And let's finish up by changing it to purple.
Changing the circle's color to purple. The circle is now purple.